decision about who we were going to be was made a long time ago. You decided you wanted to be different. You decided you wanted to be elite. That was the standard, not be average. Your actions speak so loud I can't hear what you're saying. It's time to trade. From the first entry to the last exit, you know what you've done, you know the work you put in, you know what you're capable of doing, and you know how to do it. And you can do it. Now we get to show all those brokers and exchanges how we've been doing it. That's what we get to do now. It's fun time. This is fun time. Love, trust, and believe in each other. Go get me a crumb. Be elite. And let's go higher one time. Let's go higher right now. You need to appreciate every time you go out on those charts and you feel no emotion. There's something to that. You know what we did? We ate some crumbs out there, and we ate, and we ate, and we ate. Trade don't care who wins it. Chart don't care who trades it. You show me someone without expectations, and I'll show you someone that doesn't have achievement. You've achieved nothing if you expect nothing from yourself. I expect a lot from you, and I expect a lot from myself. You know why? Because you put the work and time into it, and you deserve it. You do what you're supposed to do. It's time to expect that from yourself and from each other. Find the crumbs. Love is the reason you trade. The love and passion in your life for trading these charts. When it's all said and done, that's what you remember. That's what you remember. There's no doubt when this is over. This is Traders Landing. We're fixing to make a statement today on who we are, what we are, and where we're going. We're taking our trades today. You keep your poise in what you do. Handle your business. Understand where you're at. Understand the moment you're in. Grasp the moment you're in. Seize them and enjoy them, but understand the power of preparation and the power of love for what you do. You want to be elite, you get to a certain level and never go below that level. You got to trade with a chip on your shoulder. You got to trade fast. You got to trade furious. You got to trade with an attitude. You got to trade with passion. You got to trade with energy. You got to trade with all that. But you can't get it too high where you can't think and execute. You got to be willing to prove yourself every trade you take. Every time you're in front of those charts, you got to prove yourself. Every day starts and ends at zero. Every trade starts and ends at zero. The constant pressure of consistency. Over and over and over and over, and you pounce, and you never relinquish, you never blink. You lose a trade, fine. Come on, here we go. That's what we expect, because we're going to win some too. We expect it to be tough, so when it is, good, because that's the way we like it. It's going to be tough. There's a big rock in the road. You don't walk around the rock, you remove the rock. You got to remove it. You got to earn it. Ain't going to give you nothing, don't hope for nothing. We don't want nothing, but understand that from the get-go. And two, the person who could keep their emotions where they are ready to trade, but it won't affect their decisions, is the person who wins. Execution and your system are important, but emotion is going to be critical. Understand that. Be able to function, think, and process the information. The fundamentals, stops, targets, trends, position sizing, scaling. That is what will win this trading game. Understand that. I know the emotion. It's hard to hold. It's in my heart too. But a professional doesn't think that way. A professional trader thinks about what you want, about what you want to be. You got to take everything you get. No one's going to give you anything. So expect it to be tough. It's going to be tough. Our opponent has no face. It's about us. The way we analyze, the way we execute, the way we feel on each and every trade. Remember what we talked about. Nothing changed. Nothing changed. Everything's about us. What we do, how we think, how we feel, how we trade. From the first entry to the last exit. The reckoning. To put things back in order, you got to put them in order. They're not going to get in order for you. There's a stone in the road. We remove the stones out of the road. We don't go around them. We don't hope they move. We remove them. You get what you take. You get what you take, and how you take it is consistency. Over and over and over. Every single trade you take, you put your will upon it. We gotta have effort and we gotta have execution. Be able to think and function and do what we do. Have fun with it. You earn the right to be here. You earn the right to be here. The next setup is just a rock in the road. We remove the rock from the road. Focus on your system. Have fun doing it. Love, trust, and believe in each other. We gotta go beat them. We gotta go beat them. Do what we do. Play our game. Trade emotionless. The opportunities you have in life, don't let them slide through your fingers. And the people who don't let them slide through their fingers are the ones who truly believe that it's their time. I want you to understand something. This is our time. This is our time right now. The person who can keep passion, emotion, heart, and everything he's got, but keeps his wits about him, is the person who wins. It's the barriers you're breaking. It's the legacy you're leaving. It's the direction we're going. This train's rolling, people, and there's nothing getting in its way. Understand something. Nobody pushes us around in our charts, people. Nobody. I want you to understand that. Nobody! One setup at a time, one trade at a time, one heartbeat, people, one heartbeat. Love, trust, and believe in each other. You earn this. You deserve this. It's who you are. It's who we are. It's about each other. It's about winning. It's about trust and helping and loving each other. Understand this is a family and what you are and who you are. This is Traders Landing, people. This is what you're supposed to do. This is what you know you can do. This is what God made you to do. That's what we're gonna do.